The factory recycles water from the washing process. Used water flows through pipes to filtration units. Here, impurities are removed. The clean water is then pumped back for reuse. These bundles look good. Let's check for tears.
I see some minor spots, but it's fine.
Agreed. Let's move this one to the line. Sending it through now.
Looks clear.
This batch looks consistent. Check the edges.
Edges are good. This one needs a slight shift.
Agreed. Thickness is uniform. Let's clear this section.
Clear. Next batch incoming.
Air drying chambers in the banana leaf processing factory remove excess moisture from washed banana leaves. Cooling conveyors inside the banana leaf processing factory stabilize the temperature of processed banana leaves. This ensures they are properly conditioned for subsequent manufacturing stages. This batch looks good, nice and cool.
Yes, moisture level is perfect.
Okay, keep it moving.
Next one coming through.
Inside the processing factory, cold storage units preserve the freshness of banana leaves. The leaves are kept at a constant low temperature and high humidity. This controlled environment is essential for maintaining their quality.
Batch 47, 50 kilograms.
Got it. Quality looks good.
Next one.
All saved. Let's check this batch from line 3.
Okay, this one looks intact.
Good. Check the seal and label.
Seal is tight, label is correct.
Good. Log it and move on. Let's check the thickness consistency on these processed leaves. First point, 0.45 millimeters. Final check, within tolerance. Consistent, approved.
The surface is smooth, but check the edges for brittleness.
This one feels uniform. Let's test the pliability.
Good. Note that for the batch.
Agreed. This stack is approved. Let's check this batch for any packaging flaws.
Right. The seal and label look good.
Agreed. The leaves look vibrant and fresh.
This batch passes. Let's check the next.
On to the next. Cartons are ready for labeling. Labels printed. Applying to the cartons now. Scanning shipment code BN Leaf 2024-55. Confirmed. Moving to next batch. All codes verified. Ready for dispatch. Let's get these pallets aligned for the morning dispatch.
On it, this stack is ready for wrapping.
Good. Check the straps on the top bundles.
All set. Looks secure.
Cycle complete. Trucks are loaded and departing. Copy that. Bay 2 is clear. Excellent. Prepare for the next batch. Swabbing this leaf for microbial tests.
Good. I'll prepare the culture dish.
Colony count is minimal. Very hygienic.
Excellent. This batch passes.
Starting fiber integrity check on processed banana leaves. Adjusting focus to examine the cellular structure. Fibers intact. This batch passes quality standards.
All right, let's start with this batch.
Okay, this one feels moist.
Inserting probes now. First reading is 11.8%.
Good. Note it down. Next reading. Batch 64. Leaves are uniform. Some minor tears on the edges.
Noted. I'll check the moisture level. Moisture is within range. Recording it.
Good. Let's verify the batch count. This batch is approved. Tagging now. Right. I'll check the next one. Tag attached. Moving to dispatch. These top rows are secure. Let's check the batch below.
Agreed. This one looks intact.
Good. Now open it for the leaf check.
Leaves are vibrant green, no tears.
Excellent. All clear for this batch. In the banana leaf processing factory, temperature sensors monitor storage conditions. These sensors ensure the leaves remain at optimal temperature for quality. Real-time data helps maintain ideal processing environments. Leaves are cleared for shipment. Updating the system now. Forklifts loaded, moving out.
Inventory updated. Shipment record processed.
Confirmed. All records are synced.
Finalizing the export docs. Quantities match the manifest.
Yes, all verified. Ready for your
This
sign-off.
batch is sealed and labeled. Good. Lock the shipment and file the copies.
Will do. All set. All right, let's get this one sealed. Doors clear. Closing now. Seal it tight.
The leaves are moving smoothly. Quality looks good. Watch for the edges. Trim them clean. Good. Keep the flow steady.
From farm delivery, banana leaves enter the processing line. At the washing station, leaves are cleaned thoroughly. Next, they are dried on racks to remove moisture. Finally, they are packaged and prepared for shipment.